Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You'll be surprised to see soya beans on my channel. I'll be making tofu awara today. Stay tuned. To make this awara recipe, we will need our soya beans. Clean up your soya beans, wash it, add a little bit of potash and grind it. You can go to your engine and grind it. After grinding it, we add in the red oil to the grounded soya bean. This red oil will reduce the foam because the soya beans foam a lot. It will help you to reduce the foam in the soya beans and enable you to filter it so easily. Because if you don't add this red oil, filtering it will be very hard for you. So with this red oil, it will help you, enable you to filter it so easily, and the chaff will separate from the milk. In a big bowl, add in your water. It will enable you to filter this soya beans milk. You need water. I have my 2 bowl. This one is I put half of the water on it. Then the next one I put the water that is not up to it. I use the second one to finally sieve out the milk from the chaff to separate it properly. After doing that, it's very important for you to know the size of water you put and the size of the soya beans, grounded soya beans you put in a sieve sieving, because depend on your energy. I did it my batch by batch because I did it in large quantity because I wanted to keep some inside the refrigerator for future use, because I cannot do all this stress and just consume it in one day. No. I have to reserve for other day and to enable it to last for me. So I sieve it. This method is what I use to sieve mine. You can use any method you feel that is more easier for you. For me, this is the easier way I sieve my soya milk in order to extract the milk from the chaff. After doing that, this is the result we got. This is the extracted milk. As you can see, then in a big bowl, the big pot, depending on the size you have, big pot, add in your soya milk, almost like half of the pot, because you're going to later add your pap water, which I have already. I got this from the pap I made previously, like 3 days before I made this soya bean. In the pot, make sure the light is on a high heat because it's very important, and you have to stay there and monitor it, because this thing in seconds it can evaporate and just spill all over the places. At this point it has started boiling. I'm very close. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll be adding the pap water. Yes, because if I should leave this for seconds, it will just spill all over everywhere. So I added the pap water. It's now subdued. It stopped boiling up. It starts forming, giving me that wara shape. As in, it breaks the foam to a solid substance. Like as you can see, at this point, it's not ready for you to sieve. No. Allow it to boil so that it will separate the water from the awara. As you can see, it has started forming properly. The water at this point, don't carry it down. Still leave it on the fire. Let it boil up and separate the wara from the water. This water is still looking milky kind of water. The kind of water that you see that it's okay. I will show you. Yes, at this point, as you can see, the water, it has separated properly. Just sieve it out and put it inside your sieve. Your cheese clothes, got cheese clothes, right? Your cheese clothes. I use cheese clothes to sieve mine. Yes, I just transfer it into it, and I squeeze the hell out of it. I added a big bowl to it to extract it properly. A very heavy mortar on top, in order to extract all the water and make it come together. It will enable. This is the result I got after squeezing out the water. At this point, I have my tofu very solid. Don't evaporate it so you will not have a very strong wara tofu. At this point, it's ready for use. And now I added water in the bowl and added a little bit of onion for just for flavor. Then I cut my tofu to my desired shape that I want. It is a very nutritious meal that I think you should try for your whole family. It's consumed in other southern part of the country, the other part of the country, not only the northern part. I've had some people even do it and keep as meat in their food. It's very, very nutritious and very proteinous. It's very good for health for children and for adults as well. People that are on the weight loss journey is very good also. This after cutting it, I transferred to the bowl that I added a little salt and onion. The onion is just for flavor. I just love that flavor of onions in my awara. You can decide not to do that. In heat up your oil, then you fry your awara. Let it fry, or maybe it depends on the size on the heat. Let it fry and give you a golden brown. Let it fry and give you some crunchy outside. It's more delicious like that. And also I serve mine with a delicious sauce. I tell you, this sauce I'm going to show you. I use onions leaf and onions, spring onions and onions and some sausage. I transfer my blended pepper mix contain a little tomato pepper and red bell pepper. I fry for like 5 minutes to 5 minutes. Then added the seasoning cube. Added ginger, garlic, seasoning cube, and curry to this. But that ginger, take it to another level. That ginger, don't miss it. At this point, I stir and fry together for some minutes, like 2 minutes. Then I use my tofu. I smashed my tofu and I added it to the sauce. This look as if I added egg. You can use this tofu as an egg sauce to eat your yeah. Let me just give you a spoon in case you have not tried this. You used to have this. You don't even need egg at home to do some egg sauce. I tell you. Now, can you tell me that it's egg that is here or tofu? You can't even differentiate it, but it looks exactly like egg. Then I also shredded my slice, my cabbage, and I added it to it. This is a full meal on its own, even though you're not even taking with the wara. I mix it together. I say if you try this, you come back to spaghetti. Let me know if you be trying it on the comment section. Please do like it, comment, share, please. I'm begging because this meal is so delicious. You will love it. You will love it. Look at the yumminess. Look at the juiciness of this sauce is on another level. I served mine and I enjoyed it this way. You can never go back to having wara at home. Tofu, you can never go wrong. It's always a meal on its own. Very delicious and very nutritious. You will love it. Let me know if you will try it. Thanks for watching. Bye.